Large oval black metal recliner handle, suitable for non-electric manual reclining armchairs, sofas, modular lounges, etc. Made of a sturdy aluminium, black in colour with a smooth surface, approximately 115mm wide, 70mm high, requires a hole in the arm of the recliner of 98mm by 57mm. This recliner release handle accepts the industry standard 6mm recliner release cable. However, the hole in the back of our handle will comfortably accept a barrel size between 5 and 7mm. Supplied with a retaining clip used to hold the recliner release cable in position, easy to remove and insert like so. A smooth, easy to pull, spring-loaded flick action, self-closing. This handle requires 2 screws to install. They are not supplied. One at the top, one at the bottom, or at the back of the handle for universal fitment. Easy to install, no experience is needed, only a screwdriver is required. If you require assistance on how to install this handle, please click the link below to watch our How to Replace a Recliner Handle video.